Magandang umaga. Our 202nd regular session is now in order. Please rise. The chair requests officer's order for the invocation as well as for the reading of the councilor's speech, especially singing of the national anthem.
Sige po, sandali po, naibigay natin ang lisensya po sa ating pamilya ng Amerika. Sa mga miyembro po ng ating konsiyo ay sabay-sabay po natin bigkasin ang positive. I am a Philippine Councilor, mandated by the measures and ordinances that belong to the general welfare of my constituents and their pursuits for happiness, peace, and prosperity. I believe in public service of myself as the guiding principle of my judicial act. And as I believe in boundaries of local jurisdictions, be the almighty guide of my heart, that I shall do true to my constituents and the people.
Thank you, Councilor Pudisi. This is
Honorable Richard Palyan, Honorable Ezekiel Rodriguez, Honorable Nathan Samlacan-Ilaw, Honorable Jonathan Latras, Honorable Arturo Flores, Honorable Victoriano Olivi, Honorable Hayati Tugaban, Honorable Georgia Lindsay Jackson, Honorable Nadelia Pasaldo, Honorable Stephen Basis. Madam Presiding Officer, there are 9 members of the for considered the quorum of the
Thank you, Mr. Secretary. Mr. Secretary, and we can now consult our prepared agenda for this regular session. kababayan kung gusto ko lang nagawin sa mga privilege. What is your privilege?
Hindi ako naka-trap, no? Dahil walang time na. Pero ang sa akin lang, gusto ko lang i-believe na yung mga grupo na tumulong para ma-recover yung pagkain ng dalawang unit sa mga Mayfield ay through resolution ay magbigyan natin ng commendation. No? So, ano ko lang siguro mamaya sa isa yung grupo kasi kasama yung Philippine Coast Guard, Philippine Army, PNP, India, at saka yung auxiliary ng India and Tower Bantay Dagat. So, yun po, hiniling ko yung mga kasama na magbigyan natin ng commendation nila ginawa. So, and second is yung narating ng mga farmers na may patawag itong manager na yung aid sa Brooks Point and pacifier nila. Kasi medyo hindi sila satisfied doon sila ginagawa ng pacifier. Linis na natin ng balay pero maraming nire-reject. So, nakaraan nagreklamo ang NFA na parang nagbibintas natin. Dahil siguro nga may napalay ngayon ang daming nagpinda pero nagpa-problema naman yung mga farmers no? Dahil sa classifier nila sobrang ipid din naman tinandihan. So kung may session pa tayo next week pwede siguro invite natin manager ng NFA, Point and yung classifier. Yun ang madagdag.
Okay, thank you, Councilor Lugada. Mr. Secretary, ang session natin, holiday. So, next year na. Next year na. Kasi ang next 24, paso, August 31. The following na yun. Ang next regular session natin ay January 7. Paki-invite yung taga-MFA, yung manager, at saka yung classifier.
Just siguro ikot na yung sa tingin para walang...
At yung sa DepEd.
Independ po nasa lahat. Ayun, may doon kung nasa lahat sila ng last time. Kasi ngayon gusto mo. Napadala.
Yung sa DepEd.
Sa DepEd.
Yung sa sports.
Napadala yun.
Next year na lang. Yung ano.
Kasi walang tayo. Masakit-sakit na
Oo nga eh.
start mo kung...
Na-invite ba natin sila?
Hindi na po kasi hindi natuloy ko yung
Kaya sana tayo hindi na sa sana ngayon.
Sino yung pinapa-invite ko pa?
Sa DepEd.
Sa DepEd. Kaya lang ang municipal meet yata ay January 8 na.
Sakto sa alam
That's a privilege our current life. Okay, then we go to the question hours. Meron tayong mga bisita.
letter from Municipal Mayor requesting authority to enter into MOA with General Hospital, Municipal Hospital, and Belgrado Hospital for the provision of clinical laboratory, radiology, dental pharmacy, nursing, and ambulance services for the referred patients of Tucson Municipal Health Office.
Refer to the Committee on Health.
Letter from the Municipal Mayor requesting consideration of a resolution confirming the Brooks Point Municipal Health Office and Brooks Point Rural Health Unit are the same facility for accounting purposes of completion or renovation of Brooks Point in April.
Refer to the Committee on Rules.
Number 3, a letter from the Municipal Mayor requesting Sangguniang Bayan for the adoption of the Executive Order Number 84, Series of 2024, an executive order providing for the implementation of Section 30 of Republic Act Number 12001, otherwise known as the Real Property Valuation and Assessment Reform Act, on the grant of tax amnesty on real property taxes and special levies on real property. Number 4, a letter from Mr. Arnold for Lagisma requesting the HP endorsement for the renewal of sand and gravel quarry permit located at Dos Barangay Maasin, Brooks Point, Palawan.
Refer to the Committee on Environmental Protection.
Number 5, a letter from the Municipal Mayor requesting authority to enter into contract agreement for the software upgrade training or workshop of electronic business permit and licensing system between LGU Brooks Point, Palawan and Persistech Incorporated and certified as RDL.
Refer to the Committee on Rules. Jointly with the Committee on Infra and Communications.
Number 6, draft resolution requesting the local chief executive allocate funds for the construction of waterways, drainage, canal, post, side of motor pool entrance going to Evangelista Private Cemetery and going to Leoncio Private Cemetery located at Barangay Pangubilian, Brooks Point, Palawan, introduced by Councilor Rodriguez.
Refer to the proponent.
Another communication, Madam Presiding Officer, from the Municipal Mayor, respectfully requesting the Sangguniang Bayan for appropriate action on the request of the Municipal Tourism Office about the proposed ordinances in compliance to SGLT. Number 1, an ordinance institutionalizing the Municipal Tourism Council of Brooks Point, Palawan, defining its powers and functions and providing funds thereof. Number 2, an ordinance institutionalizing the local culture and arts council of Brooks Point, Palawan, defining its powers, functions, and providing funds thereof.
Refer to the Committee on Tourism.
Another communication from the Municipal Mayor requesting the Sangguniang Bayan for a resolution authorizing the local chief executive to enter into MOA with Philippine Statistics Authority, subject to registration assistance traffic, MOA renewal.
More where Philippine Statistics Office. Do we have unfinished business?
Committee report. Committee report.
pertains to a measure being requested by the local chief executive and certified as urgent, and in local government code, those measures certified as urgent can be considered during several meetings, Madam Chair, as included in the business for the day. This is a legislative request for the legislative authority of the local chief executive to enter into a memorandum of agreement with Philippine Statistics Authority. I have here a letter from Donna Marie D. Mobe, the supervising statistical specialist or officer in charge of PSA, addressed to our local chief executive regarding the request for the MOA, and they're requesting for a passage of a resolution authorizing the municipality. And I also have here a copy of the draft memorandum of agreement and the salient points of this memo, of this MOA, the project goals and objectives to enhance for a more intensified campaign, including civil registration, aligned with the 3 goals of the civil registration and vital statistics decade, universal civil registration of births and others, all individuals with legal documentation to claim identity and accurate, complete, and timely vital registration, among others. Thank you very much, Madam Chair. This representation would like to sponsor a resolution granting authorization a resolution authorizing our local chief executive, Honorable Cesario R. Benedictus Jr., to enter into a memorandum of agreement with the Philippine Statistics Authority.
Any objection? Hearing none. Then we grant the authority of the local chief executive to enter into a MOA with the Philippine Statistics.
Thank you, Madam Chair. As we already under unassigned unassigned business, I am seeking the support of my colleagues for the passage of 2 measures being requested by the local chief executive. And with this, I move for these measures to be treated as urgent. First is isang bayan confirmation or affirmation that regarding the project, Brooks Point Municipal Health Office and Brooks Point Rural Health Unit are the same facility for accounting purposes. For urgency, Madam Chair.
So your request for urgency. Any objection? None. So your request for urgency is granted.
The proponent is now open for interpretation should you have any concerns.
Any question, Councilor Dr.
May I move to close the period of interpretation?
You don't receive the approval of that measure.
Before I move, Madam Chair, I would like to inform the body po that this is required by the OIC of the Mimaropa Center for Health Development, because they have a project and they need a confirmation that those facilities are of the same po. And the certification of the local chief executive, it says there it will suffice po the requirement. So kailangan po na sa by resolution. And with this, I move for the adoption, for the approval of a resolution confirming that the Brooks Point MH Municipal Health Office and Brooks Point Rural Health Unit referenced in the General Appropriations Act 2022 pertain to the same facility from the local government unit. To the same facility. That ends the lecture.
Second.
Any objection? Hearing none. Then we also approve the resolution confirming that the Brooks Point Municipal Health Office and Brooks Point Rural Health Office are the same facility for accounting purposes of position and regulation of Brooks Point Municipal Health Office.
Another, Madam Chair, this representation would like to request for urgency for us to be able to tackle the adoption of an executive order providing for the implementation of Section 10 of Republic Act Number 12001, otherwise known as the Real Property Valuation and Assessment Reform Act, on the grant of tax amnesty on real property taxes and special levies on real property for our constituents to avail of the amnesty, Madam Chair.
Another request for urgency for the adoption of Executive Order Number 18, series of 2020. Any objection or clarification? None. The request for urgency is granted. We now proceed with the approval of the adoption of this executive order.
Thank you, Madam Chair and my colleagues. In this representation would like to move for the adoption on the Executive Order Number 84, Series of 2024, an executive order providing for the implementation of Section 30 of Republic Act Number 12001, otherwise known as the Real Property Valuation and Assessment Reform Act, on the grant of tax amnesty on real property taxes and special levies on real property. So moved, Madam Chair.
Any objection? Hearing none. And then this body has also adopted Executive Order Number 84, Series of 2024, an executive order providing for the implementation of Section 30 of Republic Act Number 12001, otherwise known as the Real Property Valuation and Assessment Reform Act.
Madam Chair, since the measures that I have passed for are all administration measures, I request that the members of the Committee on Rules be co-sponsors of those measures, Madam Chair. Thank you very much.
Take note of the request.
Thank you.
Next, unassigned. Councilor Rodriguez.
Pleasant morning to everyone. I'm here to police. I have here a request coming from our LCE requesting to grant an authority to enter into a contract of agreement with the software upgrade training workshop of electronic business permit and licensing system between LG Brooks Point and Versitech INC, being certified as urgent. Meron ka po copy yung ating recap mo,
Kabibigay.
photocopy.
Kabibigay lang.
Isa lang.
Kabibigay lang.
Can you just read the obligations of the LGBT
Ano lang ulit
or
yung
responsibilities of the LGBT?
Actually, Madam Chair, ano lang po ito. System upgrade lang po siya. And pinipicture niya po dito, which is yung data entry, reports, generation, computation ng mga business taxes, and fees, master list, abstract and collection report, assessment, module, collection, and
What is the counterpart of the LGBT?
by Madam Chair. By payment.
Amen.
Yes po.
So, any question or clarification with regard to this contract agreement? None? Then we may proceed with the approval.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I move that the resolution granting an authority to our LCE to enter into a contract agreement for the software upgrade training workshop, business electronic business permit and licensing system between LGU Brooks Point and Versitec Incorporated be approved and adopted for its second and final reading.
Any objection? Hearing none, then the authority of the local chief executive to enter into a master agreement for the software upgrade training workshop employee business permit and licensing system between LG Brooks Point and Versitec Incorporated. This also hereby approved and adopted in the second and final reading.
Another resolution, Madam Chair, being authored by yours truly. This resolution, I want to seek the support of my dear colleague to treat this matter as urgent. It is regarding, Madam Chair, sa request sa ating LCE na mag-allocate po ng pondo para po sa construction ng waterways drainage canal located sa Sitio Balacan, Barangay Pumilya, Brooks Point, Palawan.
So there's a request for urgency.
Second.
Any objection? None. We have to send the approval of that picture.
Approval na po. Ay,
Just a request.
out.
Tsaka, pwede kang i-charge sa your funds.
Yes po. I move that the resolution requesting our LCE, Mayor Cesario Benito, to allocate funds for the construction of waterways, drainage canal located at Sitio Balacan, Barangay Pumilya, Brooks Point, Palawan, be approved and adopted on its second and final reading.
Any objection? Hearing none, then we also approve the resolution requesting the local chief executive to allocate funds for the construction of waterways, drainage canal. Going to the Evangelista Private Cemetery, going to the Onisho Private Cemetery. We did it.
Thank you.
Second. Councilor.
Thank you again. Kung aking draft title ng resolution ay ikaw na kanina doon sa aking nabanggit privilege speech tungkol doon sa mga bagong grupo na tumulong sa search and rescue ng dalawang estudyante ng Palawan State University. The request I think to be urgency of this issue.
Any objection? None. You may now proceed with the approval of that measure. What's the title of?
Thank you, Madam Chair, and for the approval of the resolution to commending the group of Philippine Coast Guard, Bantenaga, NDRRMO Auxiliary, Philippine Army, Philippine National Police, for their services rendered during search and rescue operation conducted last December 11, 2024 in relation to the drone incident happened at Barangay Vilas to the two students of Palawan State University.
Siguro instead na rescue, retrieval.
Okay. Thank you. So, palitan na ang retrieval. Yes. Retrieval operation. Ito pong para maintindihan lang ng mga naman. Yung na-mention dito na yung DRR auxiliary, ito po yung mga volunteer natin na mga civilian na binigyan ng training yung mga nakarambuan ng ating DRR, yung para maging katuwang ng ating DRR during mga ganito na incident at iba pang kalamidad dito sa Palawan. Na private individual ito na
Kasama ba?
Sama.
Kasama po ba sa Rival?
At saka sa ano,
Yes, nung gabi, nakalakasan ng alon. Sila na lang nagtumog. Kaya lang hindi na sa lamo na alon.
Hindi naman po sa wala. Baka dahil sa i-insert na lang and other
Wala lang siguro mag-isip. Member din naman siya ng preset box. Kasama sa doon sa member ng DPRC na ipilang. DPRC na ipilang na siguro. Sila na lang tumulong talaga. Wala nang gabi ang pinagkakasan.
kasi ang ginawa niya, nung nakikita niya ng nalulunod, tumawag na lang siya ng tulong eh.
Gusto niyang balikan, kita pa niya na sumampas sa bakuran ng tao. Kaya lang, hindi kinaya ng pangkat. Balikan mo si Mapas din malagay ng ano eh. Wala nang tao.
Any other clarification? No more. Then we now proceed with the approval of your proposed resolution.
Yeah, for the approval of the resolution of community of Philippines Coast Guard, Basta Itara, India, Arasmo, India, Arasmo Auxiliary, Philippine Army, Philippine National Police, and the PRC of Barangay Pilan for their services rendered during the search and retrieval operation conducted last December 2024 in location to the drone incidents happened at Barangay Pilan to the two students of Palawan State University be approved.
Second.
Any objection? Hearing none, let's approve that resolution of commendation to different government agencies. Councilor Valle.
Good morning po, Madam Chair, at sa aking mga kasamahan. I am here, measure number 1 po. Pero po bago lahat, may request my colleagues to distribute matter as urgent po.
Second, request for urgency. Your request for urgency is granted.
Thank you po, Madam Chair. Here, letter from Municipal Mayor, Honorable Cesare R. Jr. requesting authority to enter the MOA Vida Veraca General Hospital, Johnson General Hospital, and Sagrado General Hospital for the provision of clinical, laboratory, and radiology, dental, pharmacy, nursing, and land ambulance services for the referred patients of Brooks Point Municipal Health Service.
Second.
Any objection? Hearing none, then the authority or the township executive will enter into a MOA where Verana General Hospital, National General Hospital, and Sagrado Hospital for the provision of clinical laboratory, radiology, dental, pharmacy, nursing, and land ambulance services for the referred patients of Brooks Point Season pneumonitis. Is hereby approved and adopted in second and final reading.
Thank you po, Madam Chair.
And assign council or council.
Thank you, Madam Chair. And, good morning. In compliance with the requirements of the City of Blue Local Governance on 2025, and recognizing the critical role of institutional mechanisms in advancing local governance and sustainable development, I am pleased to request this ordinance to be treated as urgent, and I read the title first.
Second.
The title is an ordinance institutionalizing the Municipal Tourism Council of Brooks Point, Palawan defining its powers and functions and providing funds thereof. And the second is an ordinance institutionalizing the local Culture and Arts Council of Brooks Point, Palawan, defining its powers, functions, and providing funds thereof. Ito naman po, in regards with the funding naman po, meron po sariling funds yung tourism office at bago naman po magpapa-ano is papa-approve pa rin po.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, any clarification?
Madam Chair,
Councilor Tolini.
yung Municipal Tourism Council at saka Culture and the Arts, di ba parang constituted na, naging-meeting na yan ata, di ba?
Opo.
So, ang akin pong tanong, Madam Chair, yung constituting, yung constitute ng Tourism Council at saka yung Culture and the Arts Council ay create, ordinance pa nag-create doon? Kasi pagkaiba siya dito sa institutionalizing. Pagkaiba?
Ano po ibig yung sabihin?
Kasi di ba, mayroon
Meron po
tayo
tayo
na sisingit, no? Oo, mayroon na. Kaya nga nag-meeting na nga eh. Meron na. Kaya ang gusto kong alamin, yung pag-create ng council na yun, I think parang ordinance pa yun. So, iba pa yung creating Municipal Tourism Council sa institutionalized.
Meron po tayo na create kasi, pero binago po natin. Kung papapansin niyo po dati si Adminis kasama po, admin na kanda. Ang nangyari po kasi dito, nagbago po ng mga members, pero si Mayor pa rin po yung head. Tapos nagdagdag po tayo ng mga representative from TODA, sinama na po natin sila. Yung mga Tourist Guides Association, sinama na po natin sila. So kailangan daw po, yung pag-create po nito, i-institutional siya sa 2025 para makapasa sa STLG. Kumbaga may existing na po, pero gumawa po kasi ng panibagong members. Nasama po sila. So kailangan po namin gumawa ng panibagong ordinance para sa 2025 po. Pero sa 2024, existing po tayo.
Okay, any other question?
Clarification.
You're welcome.
Okay, we will now proceed with the approval of two ordinances.
Yes, Madam Chair. An ordinance institutionalizing the Municipal Tourism Council of Brooks Point, Palawan, defining its powers, functions, and providing funds thereof to be approved and adopted.
Second.
Any objection? Let's put that to a vote. All in favor of these two ordinances? Please raise your right hand. What about the rest? Councilor Lagala and Councilor Lasa? Okay. So these two ordinances are unanimously approved by this office.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you, Mayor.
Unassigned? Who are unassigned measures? Then we go to item number 10. Resolutions and ordinances for third reading.
Ordinance number 2024-44, an ordinance approving and adopting the forest and landscape restoration plan. The municipality provided for its implementation and converting funds therefore and for other purposes.
Madam
Sorry,
Chair,
Madam
Madam Chair, since during the second reading po, we were not given a copy of proposed measure. Now, for final reading, Madam Chair, may I ask for the final copy?
Okay, Lagala.
So, pagkapit po na
Soft copy.
pabibigay lang po kayo.
Ask for the wala tayong gawa.
Parang ba yan? Yan ang daw po binigay.
Yes, okay. Is there a need to put this proposed ordinance to vote? Or nagbotohan na ba last?
Wala pa po. Hindi ngayon po for
Okay, even without the hard copy, this ordinance, approving and adopting the forest and landscape restoration plan of the municipality, providing for its implementation, appropriating funds for and for other purposes.
Madam Chair, before I pass, before I read po, an administration measure naman po siya.
Yes.
Thank you.
Please raise your right hand. Okay, this ordinance was unanimously approved by this House. Okay, announcement. So our next regular session will be
Madam
on
Chair,
January 7th.
yes, mga isip katanong regarding dun sa CMA.
Ay, oo, makapagkaroon tayo ng
Kasi po,
special
may
session.
empleyado sa ito, wala kami pinapasa sa akin.
Makapagkaroon tayo ng special session within this week.
At secondly, about yung Christmas party sa 20, I know when party ko yun. So, sana, medyo marami tayo na kasi pawag tayo na.
Eh, sa YouTube, na-reserve natin sa
Ayaw ko nangyari.
20, di ba? Oo, at meron na rin yung ibang gusto magdala ng food ay very much welcome. So, huwag na kayong bakasyon kasi baka magkaroon ng special session in the next.
And yung favorite ko lang, Madam Chair, kasi ayun na, meron na tayong last year kaya na-approve regarding sa internet connection dito sa atin. Yung budget na po din. Ganun to, bakit ito na? Walang report, walang kasi hindi ka tayo bawa ng mga departments.
Hindi pa natin alam kung bakit.
Approve
Hindi
din.
pa rin na gusto.
Madam Chair, Madam Chair, Madam Vice Chair, may what po tayo with the certain solid something. Para kumain na po.
Pero ano po, para na sa buong ano,
Opo,
kaya hindi na kami
the one who represents it is si Ma'am France, I remember, kami kinakasay kami during the session. Parang pag-iwag sa iyo ko yung
So next year na naman natin tatawag. January 7. Motion for the adjournment. Wala na tayo mga agenda. Wala. Motopropio. Ay, Councilor Rodriguez.
I'm moving for the adjournment of today's regular session.
Announcement po yung folders sa inyo na lang. Announcement na po. Folders po sa inyo na lang. Hindi naman namin ko yung folders.
Ako na next year. See you next year.
Saan ito ba?
See you next